Body rolls are a sexy dance move. And if you're not looking sexy when you're doing it, it's probably because of these 3 reasons. Let's go. First reason is you're not bending your knees and you're not getting low enough. You're too upright, okay? The higher you are and the more straighter your legs are, the less range of motion you're giving yourself to fulfill a body roll movement to its best potential. So you need to bend those knees, okay? You can't be up here, right? Doing a body roll. Bend your knees, get low, all right? Have a nice, comfortable bend. Doesn't have to be crazy, so you can get that. Hey, what's up? Come in a little closer. Yeah, closer. Come on, come here. All right. If you want access to the full tutorial, check this out. Hit me up on the link below, and I'm offering everybody that's watching this video a free 1-week trial. You can access all my tutorials, okay? I've got like literally hundreds and hundreds of tutorials in a huge library online, and they're all the full versions. I'll give you 1 week as much as you want. No strings attached. Just create your free account basically and then go nuts. You can even chat with me one-on-one. I'm online every single day of the week and I'm answering people's DMs all the time. So you can message me with practice footage. It's just crazy. Like I will literally watch you doing these tutorials and I will give you my personal notes on how you can improve. So take advantage of the free one-on-one coaching I'm offering you. All right, so hit me up below on that link. And I'm just genuinely looking forward to working with everyone because I want to share this dance style far and wide. So the more people that I can see, the better. Let's go, guys. See you in there.